Welcome to the heavily knick-knacked home of a certified professional organizer. Join me and come on in as I show you 4 ways to organize your knickknacks. My partner and I have a lot of fun keepsakes and teeny tiny things that we cherish. As we collect things over the years, I've managed to make sure that everything fits and everything has a place. Do you have a collection or perhaps a fandom that you follow and love? Star Wars, Pokemon, shot glasses, magnets, spoons, whatever you're into, create a specific area for all of your prized possessions. This creates intentional, curated displays that give you structure to add items as you collect. When you get something new, you know right where it goes. If you share your space with others, knickknacks can be a point of contention rather than sparking joy. Many of us have things that mean the world to us that maybe don't hold the same weight for others in sentimentality or visual appeal. These items may be kept in that specific household member's space. Be considerate of others you share the space with. If you have a room or even an area of a shared space that is your own, consider special display areas in that space. Another way that you can organize your knickknacks by person is to collect all of the gifts one person has given to you. Here in my bedroom, I've created a cute little shrine to my sweetie. It's got a picture of him, a poem that he wrote me, and a card that he gave me on our anniversary. I know that I can add small, sentimental, personal items that are related to him to this space every time I get something. There are many ways to use vertical space to your advantage. Maybe you have bigger oversized items or items that you don't exactly want in your eye line. Use your vertical space. I've taken the top of this wardrobe to store all of our giant Pokemon plushies. My partner was really excited about them, and I had to find a spot. When my partner and I combined households, I was nearly overwhelmed by the amount of knickknacks that we both brought to the table. There were so many tiny things without an honored space, and when they were loose, it just felt like piles of clutter. What I did was define an aesthetic or color scheme for each room in our home. Then, all of the knickknacks simply followed suit with color, and every time we get something new, we know where it goes. Color is an easy way to sort if you have a lot of decorative items with little direction for how to place things. It makes everything feel intentional. The 4th way to organize your knickknacks is by function. Consider if the item is mainly used for decoration but could have a functional purpose or fits in the suit of a very clear room in your house. I have these teeny tiny hinged boxes of food products that I keep in my kitchen above frames of buildings on top of ice cream cones. Clearly belongs in the kitchen. I have this collection of Disney mugs that we don't often drink out of and are predominantly for decorative purposes, but I of course also store them in the kitchen. The placement of your decor and knickknacks should always be the final step in your organizing process. It's your big reward for a job well done. Here at Mission 2 Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. We also feature monthly blogs on our website and mind-blowing hacks on our Instagram and TikTok accounts. From home organizing to move management and more, M2O has your back. We'll see you next time right here on M2O TV. Bye! Place to put it. Over here in my bedroom, I've created a special area for, I feel like I'm just rambling. Let's try again.